Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Devi EduHub. This is the 7th video lecture on some basic concept of chemistry. In the previous video, we saw the mass percentage, mole fraction and molarity. Under molarity, we saw what happens when we dilute a solution and when we mix two or more solutions. So today in this video, we'll be discussing molality and the relationship between molality and molarity. So without any further delay, let's get started. Molality. So what is molality? Molality is the number of moles of solute present in per kg of solvent. तो molality क्या होता है? Molality the number of moles of solute जो 1 kg या 1 kg solvent में present रहता है उसी को हम लोग बोलते हैं molality. ठीक है, तो molality का फॉर्मूला क्या है? Number of moles of solute divided by weight of solvent in kg. Remember that it is the weight of the solvent and it is taken in kg and it is represented by small m. Molarity was represented with capital M and molality is represented as small m. Okay, so now what do you mean by 3 molar HCl solution? 3 molar HCl solution means that 3 moles of HCl are present in 1 kg of water. Okay, we cannot take solution 1 kg of solution because molality is the number of moles of solute present in per kg of solvent. So we cannot say that 3 moles of HCl present in 1 kg of solution. No, it will be wrong. 3 molar HCl means that 3 moles of HCl is present in 1 kg of solvent or 1 kg of H2O. Okay. Now let's see the relationship between molality and molarity. So to find the relationship between molarity and molality, let us assume that the mass of the given solute be capital W, the volume of the solution be capital V, the molality be small m, the molar mass of the solute be m dash, molarity be capital M and the weight of the solvent be W dash. Therefore, the molarity, that is capital M, is equal to N by V, where N represents the number of the moles of the solute and V represents the volume of the solution. Also, the molality, that is small m, will be equal to N by W dash, where N again represents the number of moles of the solute and W dash represents the weight of the solvent in kg. From this equation number 2, we get that small n, that is the number of the moles of the solute, is equal to small m into W dash, which is molality into weight of the solvent. Putting this relation into equation number 1, we'll get that molarity, that is capital M, will be equal to small m into W dash divided by volume, that is molality into weight of the solvent divided by the volume of the solution, where weight of the solvent is equal to weight of the solution minus weight of the solute. Now let's assume that the density of the solution is small d. Okay, so what is weight or mass in terms of density? Weight or mass in terms of density is equal to density into volume. So we have the density of the solution as V and the volume of the solution as V. So in this equation of the weight of the solvent, in place of weight of solution, we can write density into V. So weight of the solvent will be equal to density into volume minus weight of the solute, that is W. Okay. Now what is N? N is equal to number of moles. Now we need to calculate the number of moles of the solute. So N is equal to W by mm. What is mm? Mm is the molar mass of the solute. Okay. So from this equation of number of moles, we get that weight of the solute is equal to moles of the solute into molar mass of the solute. Okay. Now when we put this equation of weight of the solute in the equation of the weight of the solvent, we'll get that weight of the solvent is equal to density into volume minus N into mm divided by 1000. Now why we have divided it by 1000? We have divided it by 1000 because we have molar mass in terms of gram, but we need in terms of kg. So we are dividing it by 1000. Okay. Now what is molality? Molality is equal to number of moles divided by weight of the solvent. Now what is N? N is equal to M into V. How did we get this? We get it from the formula of molarity, which is equal to N divided by V. So when we cross multiply it, we get that N is equal to M into V. Okay. And we have the weight of the solvent is equal to density into volume minus N into mm divided by 1000. So putting this value of N and W dash in the equation of molality, we have molality is equal to M into V divided by density into volume minus mm into N by 1000. So when we cancel some terms by taking common, we get that molality is equal to 1000 into M, that is molarity, divided by 1000 into density minus molarity into molar mass of the solute. So the relationship between molality and density is that molality is equal to 1000 into molarity divided by 1000 into density minus molarity into molar mass of the solute. Okay. I hope you have understood molality and the relationship between molality and molarity. In the next video, we'll discuss some questions based on molality and the relationship between molarity and molality. After that, we'll discuss the problems of NCERT and also some problems which are important from examination point of view. So if you have any queries, comment down in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will be notified every time whenever we upload a new video.